Hello kids, draw a circle, one line, another line and make it closed. Repeat this one more time. Yes, one more time and one more time. We have 4 rods. It's look like a fan. What are we going to do? Uh-oh, I think it's a windmill. Yay, it's blowing. Wow. Uh-oh, the speed is getting increased. Beautiful. Let's draw the cloud. One more cloud. It's outline time. Sketchy. Sketching makes our picture look more beautiful. Now let's fill the colors. Red color. Yellow color. Wow, the colors are looking so good. Green color. Our windmill is going to be very colorful. Fill the colors very carefully. Blue color. Wow, the colorful fans. Purple color. Brown color. Pink color. Orange color. Fill the color very carefully. Yellow color in the door. Now let's color the clouds. Sky blue color in the clouds. So beautiful. Oh, breeze has started blowing. Our windmill is moving. Wow. It's looking so pretty. Uh-oh, its speed is increasing. Yay. So many more clouds. So beautiful.